What if you could earn $120 an hour just by scraping data? That's exactly what freelancers in the USA are doing, selling highly specific lead lists to real estate agents who need fresh contacts. Real estate agents thrive on leads. The more targeted the list, the more valuable it is. With web scraping, you can collect names, emails, and phone numbers from public sources, then package them into premium lists. Agents are willing to pay for in the USA market. Here's how it works. Step 1. Use web scraping tools to gather data from property sites, directories, and public records. Step 2. Clean and organize the data into usable spreadsheets. Step 3. Sell these lists directly to real estate agents or through freelance platforms. Agents in competitive USA markets like New York, Miami, and Los Angeles pay top dollar for fresh, accurate leads. Freelancers report earning thousands per month by offering web-scraped lead lists. It's fast, scalable, and positions you as a premium data provider in the USA. So if you are looking for a high-paying side hustle in the USA, web scraping lead lists for real estate agents is your golden ticket. Subscribe for more USA optimized tutorials and start earning $120 per hour today.